Namaste. Welcome to Sugatsune at IREE exhibition, one of the largest rail exhibitions in India. Please. This time here at Sugatsune, we are focusing on showing the motion control solutions for coach interiors, uh, for various applications inside the coaches. For example, we have a very unique hinge mechanism out here, a dual axis torque hinge, which is flushed and which helps in extending the space of the table. So very interesting solution which helps not only control extend the table but also helps in controlling the motion. The 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 table extended table does not falls down freely. It comes down. It's free stock and can be controlled and brought down or closed at very ease. We are also showing several solutions. There are rail solutions. There are different types of sliding solutions that we can provide. Some of the unique solutions for flush latch mechanisms or flush hinges which are not visible. So you don't see any hinges outside. The hinges are visible only when the lid is opened. So these kind of component hardware can provide very interesting solutions for rail coach interiors, especially the areas which are to be hidden and which need to be opened at regular intervals for services. Please come over. We also have some interesting solutions for the waste bin lid solutions with soft close and self close. So it does not comes down with a jerk, does not makes noise, and it's safe to use. Recessed handles, showing some recessed handles. Then we are showing some lift off mechanisms. So here a countertop flap mechanism is there, so especially for countertops. Now it's a heavy countertop, but I can lift it up very easily because of the mechanism that we have out here, and it comes when it is released, it comes down very softly. Out here we have used hinges which are again flushed hinges. We call them as tabletop hinges, and these hinges not only get flush but they also facilitate very nice and easy movement. We have another option for the extension tables or tables which can be opened when required. So we have a folding bracket. We have a folding bracket which is assisting this along with the soft close mechanism. So again, when you leave the lid, it does not falls down. It closes very softly, and then we have a latching mechanism at the end which keeps it at its closed position. There is no rattling even when the rail is moving and there's a vibration. This does not make any rattling. It stays at its position without making any noise. We have some basic recessed handle solutions where handles are not protruding, they are not obstructing, and very easy to use, safe to use. At the same time, some unique solutions made in stainless steel 304 for various applications where you don't want the handles which are protruding outside. For small control panels or for small areas where you need solutions where you need a hinge solution with a self open or a soft close. So a soft close or a free stop. So we have small hinges for small areas. It comes down very softly. Again, as I showed, that self open with a latch. So especially the areas where you have control panels and all or switches which you don't want everybody to touch, and but it is to be operated only when used. So these kind of hinges and latches can help create such safety covers. Okay. We have certain other very interesting solutions for the rail coach interiors. For example, hooks. Now, hooks is something which helps hold the luggage, your jackets, bags, and many other things. So at Sugatsune, we have designed very interesting hooks with various in various colors, shapes, and sizes. And we also have hooks which come with self and soft close. They don't make a noise and add to the aesthetics of the coach interiors. Okay. We are also showing some interesting solutions for areas where the entry gate at the platforms. So, for example, service areas. For service areas, we have hinges, we have soft close mechanisms, we have push latch mechanisms with hinges which are 90-degree opening. Now, all these component hardwares, they help provide a very ease in operation for the engineers, for the people, for the customers who use the rail interiors. So we we not only provide solutions for rail coach interiors at the seating area, but also for the washroom areas. So we have several interesting products which go into the washroom toilet areas also. Okay. Thank you very much. Namaste.